Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm George Grisham. I'm talking with you about insurance, my profession for the last 36 years. What are we doing? We are doing a channel, and the channel will have a number of clips. That's understandable. Yes. And what I want is to number all of them. And you will see the contents, the reference to the numbers, at the very beginning, at the very top of the channel. So then you'll be able to find what you need. We'll start from the beginning, really simple theory and practice, what you probably know, probably don't. So step by step, gradually, we'll get where you want to be. All right, the topic of today, the idea of what we're going to speak about today, parties to the insurance contract. And what actually is insurance all about? So nice and simple. 4 positions and 4 positions, of which 2 are parties, 2 are actions. All right. The person who wants to get insured is called insured. It could be a company, corporation, or it could be a private individual. What he is doing, he is going to a broker like myself or to an insurance company, which is called an insurer. Okay? And very much the same happens in reinsurance, where an insurance company is called a reinsured. And the reinsurance company is called a reinsurer. Okay? All right, but we'll be speaking about direct insurance. So the insured pays premium to the insurer, and of course, he is expecting the insurer to reimburse his losses or expenses in case of a loss covered by the insurance contract. So, 2 main parties, insured, insurer, 2 actions. Payment of premium. First, premium comes from Italian primo. First, it has to be paid first, and only then insurer is paying reimbursement. Okay? Further on, we do not insure things. Why? You'll ask. No. What we have in any insurance contract is an insured, a person who owns something or who is interested in something. And then, yes, we have property or interest. So these 2 things are a bit different. Okay, fine. If we're talking about a car, yes, there is a person, there is a car, but they have to be connected. They have to be related to each other. So if such a thing as insurable interest exists, i.e. the person owns or rents or leases the car, then he may conclude an insurance contract, okay? So the connection is between insured, insurable interest, which is called the object of insurance, and the subject matter insured. The subject matter is property, liability, so on and so forth. Then, what we have in any insurance or reinsurance contract, we can insure first parties or third parties. First parties are owners, operators, managers of a particular subject matter insured. And third parties, they're outside of this insurable interest, but their interests can be damaged, their life, their health, and so forth. So when we're talking about first parties and all third parties, nice and simple. The same property being a subject matter insured can be insured by a first party and a third party, yes? Or can be insured in respect of a first party and a third party. So again, the car is owned by Mr. George Grisham, but unfortunately either the car or Mr. George Grisham driving the car can, for instance, damage somebody's bicycle. Slightly. So this is third party interest. And the third party will be the owner of the bicycle. All types of insurance, whatever they are, life, accident, health, will be always thought from the point of view whether the contract is a first party contract or a third party contract. Seems to be simple, but no, unfortunately it isn't. And we'll remember this once and once again. And on the other hand, this same piece of property can be insured under different types of insurance, first party or third party. I'm a marine insurance person. I've been working in marine insurance for 36 years now. So I'm always talking about cargo on board a ship. Cargo is owned by a cargo owner, right? Shipper or receiver. And he is the first party in respect to this cargo. He is insuring, he's doing property insurance, he's insuring cargo. But cargo is now on board the ship. And the ship owner or ship manager or carrier of cargo is reliable for cargo. He is a third party and he has to insure his third party liability for damage to or loss of cargo. So these are two different things, very much the same. We can talk about the car, a particular car. The owner insures the car, whilst the other person driving another car insures his liability, his third party liability towards that first car. All right. So parties, more or less that's it for today. Thank you very much for attention. Bye.